He was born like just one day before my birthday. To be honest, it was so like unexpected. By the time we knew that we were like having a child and digesting the fact that we were becoming parents, I was already like 6 months.
When we went to the ultrasound scan for the first time, we were in a situation where is it really happening? She was inside the ultrasound and I was waiting outside. At that time, for the first time, they called me up and then I went inside and she did resound the ultrasound heartbeat of his. At that moment, I realized that okay, I'm becoming a father now.
I was so worried, maybe I won't have my time, I'll lose my space, things like that. But kids, they bring more joy into your life, and currently I'm the most happiest. I'm in the most happiest phase of my life.
During the time where we have to rush to the labor, she's crying and I was taking her and she's taking my help. We went inside and at 12 o'clock they came in and they gave epidural because she's been suffering and pains from like 30 plus hours. The heart rate of the baby is bouncing and we can hear the beeps and everything, and then people are coming around and even the doctor came all of a sudden. It's like all messy and I was completely shocked, like I don't know what's going on. Some indication that okay, baby is not doing good. They had to take the baby out. So that's when the actual drama started. So they did vacuum assisted, but still he's struggling to come out and he was very cranky. I can still see his face when he came out. It's like you cannot really describe that situation at all.
It's so special, to be honest. When I first held him, he gave me an eye contact and he just held my little finger, and he always does that still. I was so worried that I don't know how I'll be able to take care of him, whether I'm like a good parent or not.
Now I have to take care of two people, right? Who's important? And for me, both are important. But at that time, I felt mother was more important than my kid. And I'm sorry for saying this to my son, but it's for the own good, right?
We did a lot of shopping for him, like crazily. We traveled US a couple of times for him, just for him, for his stroller, for his car seat, everything.
We had to get a new car, we have to upgrade ourselves because we were upgrading the family.
It took me a lot of time to recover, but now currently I'm making sure that I spend every minute with him. I try to be there for him always.
He's just becoming cranky, he's just turning 5 months, so you can listen his crankiness background. He's just getting there.
He's growing like so fast that I don't want to miss out anything more.